Hey folks, I just got my motorcycle back from the shop, from Honda Town, and it is still pretty cold out. It is April 8th, but we're gonna take the bike out and see how it does with the new cleaned carbs. So let's do it up. Am I looking good? It's been a couple months since I got out on the bike, so gonna take it easy. It's pretty cold out. We're gonna go pick up Keith and head downtown, meet up with some friends. Oops. I'm still getting used to this new key. I always go for the key for the glove box, but now I got a separate key for the ignition. Get these gloves turned on. I probably only need them on one to start out with today. See how she starts up. Easy. So much easier. These gloves go easy too. These are warming up already. Man, everything on this bike feels smooth right now. Got the new spark lines, spark wires. We got the carbs cleaned. Got new gaskets for the valve covers, for the fuel pump. That new ignition switch was smooth that I put on right before it went into the shop. Oh, and it feels faster with the carbs. I've still got a turn signal light out on the dash, you can see. The left dash bulb being out isn't really a problem. Just have to remember to look down further down. There he is. Oh, it's Keith. Yeah, you lead the way into downtown. It's like, you know, deja vu if you turn left. I think we go one street further and still take that left.
By Carb.
Yeah, by there. I also got to be careful taking these corners too tight on these new tires.
Just system.
Yeah. They're too hot. Wow, it is crazy how much more acceleration I have in first and second. Like I've got some get up and go now. It's just way more responsive than it was. I didn't realize how underpowered I was. I thought it was just it was a heavy bike. There's something going on at US Bank. One and done.
Yeah, that's fun.
All right, sounds good. Oh, like a dream now.
Yeah, I'm going well.
All right, see ya.
See ya.
Now we're gonna make sure she still goes good on the freeway. Better pump these gloves up. Wow, that felt good. It's been a couple months since I got to do that. There's a lot of improvements here at once, but it's making a big deal. And then these gloves are awesome. I gotta have these. I mean, I've had times going up to the cabin where once the sun goes down, it is just too cold. I'm stopping in each little town to get some coffee and warm up the hands, and I didn't want to hardwire heated heated grips onto the bike because these 1980s don't have a lot of extra power for accessories, and you definitely don't want to stress out the stators on these. You don't want to burn your stator out, so you don't want to be drawing unnecessarily. And I mean, these gloves are, I'll have to do a test with these, see how long they last. Maybe I'll get them fully charged and then just do a test to see how long they can output heat for. But I mean, this is the perfect solution for those cold drives across Wisconsin and save my stator. I'm thinking about putting all my lights over to LEDs, and I've just been trying to bring down as much power draw as I can, and so I didn't want to do the heated grips. And these are cool too. The heat seems to be more from the back of your fingers and the back of your hand than the palm, and that's really where you need that heat anyway. I mean, part of your hand, the palm of your hands holding the grip of the motorcycle aren't what get cold. All that heat's getting stolen from the top of your fingers and the back of your hand, so this thing's heat in the right spot too.